Sarah, don't you feel stuck? Like every day looks the same?
Honestly, yes. I'm tired. My brain needs a break.
What if we travel this weekend? No planning, just go.
You're serious?
Dead serious.
Okay, but where?
Anywhere that's not here.
You know what? I actually need this. Let's do it.
So, we're really booking it?
Right now, before we overthink it.
Deal.
Deal.
Mila, are you packing or opening a clothing store?
Don't judge me. I need to feel prepared.
Prepared for what? A fashion week?
You never know when a cute outfit moment happens.
This is your third white shirt.
Each one has a different vibe.
Okay, let's be serious. Did you pack the essentials?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Toothbrush.
I'll add it.
Charger? Mila!
Fine, I'll put it now. Wow, your bag looks so organized. It's called being an adult. No, it's called being boring. At least my bag closes. Mine will too, eventually. You're literally fighting your suitcase. I'm winning. You're not.
Okay, what's the plan when we land?
Easy. We vibe.
That's not a plan.
It is. A spiritual one.
Fine. But can we at least book a hotel?
We will, when we get there.
Mila!
Relax. Spontaneous trips make the best memories.
Why are you packing a candle?
For hotel vibes.
Why are you packing a book you never finished?
Maybe on this trip I'll suddenly become a reader.
Why are you packing a hair straightener and a curler?
I'm unpredictable. Mila, do you think we're crazy for doing this last minute? A little. Same. But we need this. A break. New air. A reset.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Bags ready?
As ready as they'll ever be.
Taxi?
Already calling it.
So, we're really doing this?
Yes. No turning back.
Good, because I actually can't wait. Mila, are you sure this is the right terminal?
Yes, I think. Probably.
Probably. We're already late.
Relax. Airports love us.
Passports, please.
Hold on. It's here somewhere.
Mila, don't. Start.
No, seriously, I just saw it. Check the side pocket. Oh, here it is. I swear, one day they'll make a documentary about you.
Did you take out your liquids?
Yes.
All of them?
Define all.
Mila.
Ma'am, you have a full-size shampoo bottle.
It's emotional support shampoo.
Gate C12 is on the other side of the planet.
We're getting our workout in. Free gym.
Why do airports always hide the gates we need?
To test our character.
Do we have time to buy water?
Yes. Final boarding for Flight 82.
Mila! Okay, maybe no water.
We made it. Barely. It's not a real trip unless we almost miss the flight.
That's not a rule.
It is now.
This is how our trip started. Chaos.
The fun kind.
Okay, we officially made it. Welcome to wherever this is. It already smells different. I like it. What's the plan now?
Step 1, find food. Step 2, explore. Step 3, don't get lost.
You saying don't get lost basically guarantees we will get lost.
Sarah, look at these buildings. They're so cute.
Can we check in first? My shoulders are dying.
Wait, look, this cafe looks aesthetic.
We said hotel first.
But look at the chairs. They're calling me.
Fine. 1 coffee, then hotel.
Deal.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Something that tastes like vacation.
Just a latte for me.
Sarah, look outside. I think we're in the pretty part of the city.
Or maybe everything looks pretty when you're exhausted.
Maps says go straight.
Straight where? There are 3 straight options.
Just follow the blue dot.
The blue dot is confused.
We're lost, aren't we?
No. We're exploring.
That's literally the definition of being lost.
Wait. Look. Look. This view.
Okay, that is actually stunning.
See? Getting lost is part of the magic.
Fine, you win this round. Finally, civilization.
Told you we'd find it.
After 40 minutes of exploring,
Worth it. Okay, wait, this room is cute.
Way better than I expected.
Windows? Perfect. Lighting? Perfect. Mirror selfies? Absolutely perfect. Unpack? No. Let's rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, which means 1 hour.